थी फरिश्तों को भी हैरत कि ये आवाज़ है क्या। Even even angels were shocked that what type of this sound is. When Adam salam make complaint and or when Allama Iqbal make complaint, that time even angels were shocked how what type of this sound is. Means where does the sound is coming from? Where does where the sound is coming from? अर्श वालों पे भी खुलता नहीं ये राज क्या है. Even the angels living on the belonging onto Arsh could not know what type of this secret. Means what is the secret? Even angels were unknown from this, unaware of this secret. तसरे अर्श भी इंसान की तगोताज है क्या. Even on the arsh of Allah, a human being had circulating power. Means a human being, even a human being can reach to Allah, reach to अर्श. आ गई खाक की चुटकी को भी परवाज है क्या. ए nib of soil, a pinch of soil, even a pinch of soil has power of fly. These four lines are actually question. Okay, so in this stanza, I want to say, even when I make complaint to Allah, that time for that angels were shocked. They were thinking what type of this sound is, and they were not aware of my sound. Means what type of this sound, from where it comes. They were thinking, could a human being reach to Arsh, or a human being can fly? These are questions. गाफिल आदाब से सुकान ज़मी कैसे हैं. When Allama Iqbal make complaint to Allah Ta'ala, that time angel thought about Allama Iqbal or the complaint, how resident of earth are unaware of respect manners. They have no manners how to complain to Allah. शौख गुस्ताख ये पस्ती के मकी कैसे हैं. The resident of this dawn ward in lowness, how tricksy and insolent this resident of dawn wards are. Okay, means the person who is living on the earth are very tricksy and insolent. They have no idea of respect. They do not know about the respect and honor of somebody. So they should learn to respect somebody.